Welcome back to 20 Car. The 2026 Ford F-750 is a thunderous titan on wheels, a rolling command center that blends brute strength with modern precision. Its massive frame and imposing grille dominate every road it touches, while chrome accents and aerodynamic lines hint at engineering sophistication beneath its rugged exterior. Step inside, and the cab transforms into a high-tech cockpit. Digital instrument clusters, intuitive infotainment, and ergonomic controls make even marathon hauls feel precise and effortless. Beneath its hood, a powerhouse diesel engine delivers an astonishing 0 km/h in just 8.5 seconds. For its class, effortlessly eclipsing competitors like the Freightliner, M2, and International MV series. Ownership demands respect, fuel, insurance, and maintenance costs are formidable. But for businesses and adventurers alike, the F-750 is an investment in reliability and capability. Behind the wheel, every mile feels deliberate. Every turn is an assertion of control. The F-750 isn't just transportation, it's dominion over asphalt, gravel, and possibility.